Hey, what's up, my Koopa Troop? It's KoopaKungFu.
Sorry, no more.
And Mr. PV Bravo. And Snoopy.
And now, Koops, myself, is on the gamepad, so I'm the one that's going to be helping them out, or killing them,
Yeah,
or...
Specifically killing me.
Yeah. Wait.
And myself, Sorry, no more, is now controlling Mario.
I won't kill you, Mr. PV Bravo.
Mr. PV Bravo is still Luigi, and Snoopy is still Blue Toad.
Alright, so we ready to go?
And we picked up some fat Yoshis.
Yeah, where did he come from? Did that happen in the off-screen?
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't even see that.
He just followed us all of a sudden, so.
Alright, let's go to the next world.
Let's leave the swing castle and
Swing castle. Let's get out
head
of
to
here.
the desert.
Where are we at now?
Layer cake.
Oh.
You're back?
What? I thought we killed you.
You got twin brothers, I guess.
Yeah, I guess those are twins.
No.
Oh, it's a long, long world.
Wow.
All the way to that ugly flying ship crap.
Alright, first level then.
What is it?
Stone Eye Zone.
Stone Eye Zone, what's in this layer cake?
Stone
I
don't want to eat this cake, guys. It sounds terrible.
Alright, well, let's start it up then.
Are these pot brownies?
Stoned Eye, maybe?
Hey,
whoa!
Yoshis!
Hey, wait, hold on.
Yoshis! Yoshi!
Jeez, yay, whoa!
Yoshi! No! Yoshi!
Yeah, get the Yoshis.
Why'd you throw it?
I can sit on top of these statues.
Yeah.
Weird. Oh,
Get-
found a mushroom. Sweet.
You guys come over here. Get this thing.
Let's stand on palm trees. Awesome. Oh, fireflower, yes.
Oh no, I can't.
Oh, that's gone.
I can't save it. I tried.
Get what? These coins?
This thing pushes away.
All right.
I will try and help out.
Hey guys, just kill me.
You gotta move faster. When you're playing with or when you're playing with Snoopy, Mr. PV Bravo, it's all about speed.
Actually, that was.
Yeah, guys. This is my first time,
That was all PV Bravo. Probably.
It's my first level trying to get through and doing, controlling the character on the screen. So.
Be
what?
nice.
No!
Yes, see how it
Oh,
feels.
someone's swimming in the sand. Who's swimming?
Jump, yeah. Oh, he died.
Ooh,
Who died?
that's life. That's life.
How'd you, Mr. PV?
Am I the only? I'm the only one with a Yoshi left.
Look at all these ammonites. What are you doing here?
Ammonites?
Oh, on the ground?
Yeah, in the ground.
What are ammonites?
What is Pokemon?
Yay, I got one
I
up.
haven't played a Pokemon since.
A long time.
Yeah. Since
I feel
Crystal.
you,
Hey,
man.
there's
I
a bunch
feel
of mushrooms flying everywhere. So.
Yeah, get him. Grab all the mushrooms.
No, wait, no, let Luigi get that one.
There you go.
There you go, there we go.
Here, you need to get out of here, Luigi.
Yes, I do.
There you go.
Yes. Oh, okay, got it. Oof. Something down this pipe? Nope.
Nope.
Should we go this way? Hey.
No more piranha plants.
Oh god. Got it.
Wait, don't go too
Get
far.
that, get that.
Whoa!
Yeah, got the little block. Get him.
Wait, oh,
Oh, what? He turned around.
Oh,
Dude,
I
no.
could get that. Get that.
Oh,
Wait. Mario got it again.
Wait, no,
no. Snoopy, jump up again.
God.
Jump up and do the. I can jump
God,
onto your.
Yeah.
But it drags us
Is
down.
there anything down here? No, just coins? Okay.
That's awesome.
I'm gonna kill myself, jeez.
Hang on.
Guys, whoa! What are you doing?
Helping you
No,
out.
I'm trying to ground pound this thing.
Why?
Oh, I thought I could go
Why
down
would you
deep.
do
I
that?
thought it would go down farther.
No. That would be silly. And good game design. You
No.
don't need that.
Oh, no.
Bounce. Oh, we lost a man. We lost a good man today.
You can ground pound these guys,
Why do they look so? What are their faces
Whoa!
of?
Hey, whoa! There's coins just flying
Fly out of there. Look, their eyes follow you. That's so creepy.
You just. Shit.
Look at their eyes. They follow you. I didn't know that.
That is creepy. Oh, go up there. Go up there, farther. Yeah, there
Where
you
am
go.
I?
Nice, go in there.
Oh, there I am.
Oh, hey, I can go up this. Ah, I can't. Maybe? No.
Sorry.
Oh.
Ooh, get that.
Hold on. You gotta think about this carefully. Ah! Stop it, stop it! Stop it, Luigi!
What does that P do?
Power block.
What?
Boom.
Oh, whoa.
Get him. Get all the coins.
Okay, nice. Oh, I can hold on to you while you're carrying the Yoshi?
What happened to Yoshi's say?
Watch, just watch.
That looks stupid.
Poor
do
Yoshi.
it again. Wait, watch this.
Grab on, Luigi, grab on, Luigi.
Grab on, Luigi. Oh, Luigi, you jerk.
Yeah, that looks so
This is
stupid.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Poor Yoshi's like, oh.
My life sucks.
It hurts so badly.
Way over the weight limit.
Yeah, way over.
Oh god, whoa. Oh god.
Oh,
Really?
You actually wanted to fall straight down. Oh,
What?
get this, guys. Get that.
You had to get it.
Oh, I got it.
Sort of, not really.
There's nothing over here to attack, though.
Oh, what the? Oh, thanks. I guess that didn't help.
There.
Get him.
No!
I tried. That was a failure.
Oh, whoa!
Oh, get out of here. Oh, get out of here. Oh, I lost my killing power.
What?
He got out of his shell.
Did the mushroom kill? Oh. At first, the mushroom killed me.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh!
Who hit me?
This
wasn't me.
This stupid flying
God.
crap.
I got him. Don't know how, but.
Oh, you gotta hurry, guys.
God.
Gotta hurry.
Oh, God!
Okay, let's get this.
I died.
Get that. Get that coin. Get the coin.
Oh, come on.
It should be good. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. I saved you. Get it? No. I wouldn't ground pound. There you go.
Hold on. Yes, sweet. Can you get us up there, Goops? Get us up there. Blocks.
Oh,
we need
God.
blocks. Thanks.
Oh God. Oh yeah.
Yay! Okay.
Hang on. See this?
Oh, hey!
Right there.
Got it.
Oh.
I think I need the lives.
No, I gotta get this one right there. I still got it. I still got it.
Yay!
All right. But you guys got 50 seconds left. You probably should move.
And there was much rejoicing. Yeah.
All right.
But go, Bucks.
Whoa! Come on.
Yeah!
A victory! And the Yoshi's just throwing. Did you just throw the Yoshi over there?
I guess so. Yeah, I just checked.
These are such baby abuse.
Jeez.
Infanticide.
We made it, and we got a couple of lives. Well,
Hey.
actually, you got a couple lives out of it.
Yeah.
Talk to me about abusing it. I'm the only one who kept mine alive.
That's true. Well done. Well done.
With mine, it was either keep the Yoshi alive and we both die, or throw the Yoshi and
So we sacrificed
die.
the Yoshi for the betterment of
What
your
the
own
heck?
life.
Yeah.
What's this guy?
What the?
What? What's up, Toad?
What's your problem, Toad? What's your problem?
Oh, this is terrible. Some weirdo stole a bunch of my stuff, and he's so fast I'll never catch him. Mario, you gotta help me.
You gotta stop me.
Why do I want to do that, Toad? Will I get
What?
anything from this, or?
What?
He's ran all the way over here?
What?
Good reading skills, Mr. Love and Thrust.
Wait, it's way over there in World 1-1, or whatever that's
I thought the
called?
bunnies were supposed to be golden.
This was my all-time double favorite stuff, and I may never see it again.
Double favorite stuff.
Double favorite.
Man, that's...
Not my single favorite
No.
stuff. Ah, there's no time to stand around. He went
Head
away.
Go
Far
back
away.
and redo levels you already did.
Yeah, seriously. Pipes are a surefire answer when you're in a rush.
Okay.
I'm in a rush.
Because of all these, what is it?
Oh, that's not how pipes work.
We're in a rush because of the stone-eyed multi-layer
Yeah,
cakes.
seriously. All right, guys, we'll see you the next time. We'll go take on that random.
I guess, yeah,
Villain.
we'll go back and get that.
I guess so.
All right, see you next time. Take it
Hey.
easy.